What's up, guys? Today we have a Dell laptop called Dell Inspiron p15e001, also known as p15e001. Right? And the problem here is the power jack right there is extremely loose and doesn't want to work like this loose, and doesn't want to power up the system anymore. So what we do here is we take it apart, replace the jack, put everything back together, and it should work. So let me show you how to do all of that. Alright, so let's reposition the camera a little bit that way. So I will unscrew all the screws you see here. Let's see. So every screw you see here, you just unscrew it. And two screws right there, 1 and 2. Okay. Alright, now you want to pop this thing open right here, set it aside right here, and 4 screws 2 and 2 right here. Okay. So right here. Okay. So take the hard drive out like that. Like that. We got 2 screws right here and 1 right there. So 1 right here, 1 right here, and 1 right there. Okay. And we got CD-ROM right there. Okay. And we got 3 screws right here, 1, 2, and 3, which I can't see from that answer here. 1, 2, and 3. Wonderful. Again, guys, if you like the video, if it's been of any help to you, leave a like. Likes are appreciated. So here, like that, 516. Okay. So here you wanna unplug this guy. Set this guy apart right here. So that's the button. Okay. Double check that all the screws are unscrewed. And just flip this whole thing over. And there are 4 pins, 4 tabs right there. So you need to untab each one and flip it forward. And you see it's up, meaning this is the up connection. So you want to disconnect this tab, you want to disconnect that tab, remove that, and here we got 2 more tabs, 1 and 2, like that, and like that. Alrighty. Now you want to unscrew this guy, that guy, this, and I guess that. So unscrewed all of that. Let's first of all put the glasses on, because sometimes plastic could snap. And here, like that. Okay. So seems like somebody already screwed around here. So here you want to set this aside and unplug this guy. All right, and we got hole right there. Okay. Also, it's already broken. Anyways, here. Now, putting glue here will not make any difference. You need to cement the whole thing in place. So whoever repaired it before just decided to put glue on and was hoping that it's gonna be working just fine, but it's not. The reason for that is this heatsink dissipates so much heat that all the glue becomes really loose. So yeah. Now there is a whole bunch of extra stuff here on the jack, but what we need is basically here, like that. Okay, I see. Here. Alright, there should be a screw right here that holds the jack down in place. It's like a wing screw. So you want to unscrew this screw, it's part of the jack. So unscrew this guy. It's really long, okay? And remove this pad right there, okay? Now, don't throw away the screw because you will need it to secure it in place. So, no, but before you're gonna do anything else, you need to make a diagram of what goes where. And in this case, I need to remove the glasses because they got yellow hue in it. And make sure you don't have glasses on. So, the red is the data signal, goes to the center. The purple in this case is plus, and the blue is minus. So this is your diagram right here for the jack layout when you're going to be soldering the new jack in place, right? Here. By the way, if you don't want to deal with it yourself, you could send us just the laptop. It's going to be $100 to fix it. So give me a minute, I need to find the DC jack, replacement jack for that. Alright, so the jack is right here, that's how it looks like. Right there, you see? Same exact thing. Only this wing is not broken, and on this the wing is broken. So yeah, so I gonna desolder those connections. Excuse me. Never been too much of a speaker, but people say I need to comment whatever I'm doing. So here you want to take the tape, not the tape, but the heat shrink off of this guy. Okay, remove the heat shrink from all the cables like that. I'm just sliding it backwards if possible. Okay, So once you slide it backwards, you would be able to access the soldering points, which are glued for some reason. Okay. So in this case, what we need to do, we need to desolder this cable, desolder that cable, and desolder that cable. You don't want to cut them because the cable is already short. I mean, the length is short. It's not short cable, it's the length is short. And because the length is short, making it any shorter might have space issues inside. So let me reposition it towards the line here. Yeah. Like that. Like that. Okay guys, I apologize, it might take another 3 minutes because the soldering iron still needs to be warmed up a little bit. Alright, so I am back here. Let's try a few soldering points here. Alright, so now that you got this set in place, alright, so here we got a jack that's soldered up just fine. What you want to do, you want to plug it in. Alright, you want to make sure it fits there just fine. Yeah, like that. And what you want to do next, you want to put the screw through. Okay. Now, the thing is, in order for this guy not to move at all ever, what we need to do is we need to cement the whole thing in place. Not glue it, but cement it. The cement is gonna take 24 hours to cure, but since the screw is holding it down, it was still tested today. Let me just double check that. It's all conducting the electricity just fine. Yep. It's all good. So, let me mix up some cement, put it on top of it here, and then I'm gonna reassemble it. Alright? Cement is stinky, so I have to mix it in the chamber. Right, so let me power up the exhaust right here. Okay, so now we cover this whole thing up. Okay, let's see if it's gonna power up. Don't forget to leave a like, alright? Alright, so here we've got an adapter. Plug it in. Well, we got power, so everything should work. Thanks so much. Leave a like. Thank you.